Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video right here, what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be discussing how you guys could get more sneakers as a beginner or get hyped sneakers daily as a beginner. Basically how you can source more stock, because of course I know how to do this. I do, the daily steal section in my Discord, down below. Again, y'all can check that out on the website, the waitlist right there. Go join that. Again, it won't charge you unless we let you in. It's really good for my beginner resellers, so that group down below that I'm in. Again, I source pairs daily because I do daily steals, give under market pairs, so I have to know how to get pairs. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But subscribe and like. I'm just going to be unboxing some pairs, showing y'all some recent stock, and talking about, again, the basics of getting pairs as a beginner, how to do it. So let's try and hit 300 likes on this video again. And if you haven't checked out my cook group, go on the website right there down below. Get in the wait list, and again, you'll only be charged if we let you into the group. So that's all that needs to be said. I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's just kind of get started here discussing how you can grow as a beginner. So first things first, I actually have a couple items right here I want to show you guys. So this one is actually unreleased right here, or it might have just released yesterday, but this is a canary yellow hoodie, essentials hoodie, size medium. I gave this one for a pretty good deal, far under market price. Market's at like 150, 130 right now. I think we did like $85 on this one. So we're always helping people get big profits, and y'all can see this is this colorway right here. I'm actually a big fan of this one in hand and how this one hits. Overall, you all can see the details on it are pretty nice, and it just is a good hoodie overall. It looks like it would be pretty comfortable. Not really my style, but we're going to be giving this in the group again for another deal. I'll probably run that today or tomorrow. And this is another one, of course, an off-white lot right here. I've been sourcing some of these recently to give to members. I'm probably going to raffle this pair off. We've been also doing a lot of sneaker raffles in the group. This is another great way you can source pairs for the low, is raffles. Again, we have raffles where it'll be like $5 to enter, $20 to enter, depending on what the item is. We actually have a raffle right now going on for some Travis Fragment lows. So let me know if you're interested in joining that. The Travis Fragment low raffle, I can kind of tell you how to join, how to get in, since it is a members only raffle. But we have so many different, features in the group. We got a Hibbett monitor that, we just got up a new one that's really, really good. It's going to be working for, Hibbett and all those sites. So that'll be essential. But yeah, this is a size 7.5 on a lot 9. Ask on StockX is $1,300, and there hasn't been this one sells somewhat slow, but the last 2 sales on it have been $900. So kind of understanding that the last 2 sales have been or we're at $900, and then the sales before that were like $500, $600. This one has gone up a good amount, and there's only like 1 left on StockX, so we're going to be giving this to members. We also had free ACO for the Black Canvas 4 drop, so if that's another thing you like, having botters run items for you, or try to copy items for free without charge. And also we have some botters that do it with very light pay after success fees, like $10, something like that, so it won't cut into your profits. But this is the lot number 9, of course, the pair that we're going to be raffling off. A very valuable pair, $1,300 ask on StockX. And let's just say, I know how to source my pairs. I didn't pay too much for this one right here. And again, I will give you my personal methods to sourcing pairs to be joined the group. A lot of people have asked me how I've sourced pairs when I'm in the group, and I tell everyone, how it is, because you paid to be in the group. I'm going to tell you my own methods, and that's how it is. In the comments here, of course, I give a little bit of a rundown, but I go much more in depth there, and I really give my true methods to actually where I go and select pairs. I got a play coming up. Kenyon 4 is about to buy some of those up. I think I'm going to buy like 5 pairs today. And you may be asking, why am I doing it before the sneakers drop? It's because I got a spot that is very under market right now, and that's where I'm gonna go to buy. I also got some $20 off coupons on this app, so you know what I mean. Like we've told people a lot of methods, and yesterday we also the StockX glitch that was going on yesterday, where it was like $100 off on items. We cooked some items there. My order got canceled sadly yesterday. I got some black canvases for $198 off StockX, with that glitch, but it didn't work out. But overall, again, if you're just trying to learn how to get more pairs, the basics of it, where to get them, Hype Labs really can help you get more pairs and teach you the basics of where they're dropping, things like that. And that's why a group can be good for you as a beginner, because we can teach you the basics to get more pairs like this one. And not even just this one. Don't forget about the pair we just gave away. And here you guys go. And don't forget, the main reason a group can also be useful to getting more pairs like this one or exclusive releases is because we notify you guys about drops. So sometimes you may forget about a release, you're not on your phone, whatever it is. Hype Labs, will notify you about that drop. We will let you know about when it's happening, all the details to it, where it's dropping, raffles for a certain sneaker. Like we posted all the raffles for Black Canvas 4. So again, if that's something you're interested in, knowing about these, raffles raffles, different drops where they're happening. Again, we can let you know, and we can tell you how to source pairs. Of course, we always recommend, you know, Instagram, different places like that, but we really show people specific buyers, and we also have trusted buyers in our Discord. Like if you're trying to sell stuff off, we have people that will buy our stuff. We have 3 of them actually, and we also have, you know, people that you know, sell stuff off in bulk sometimes. Backdoors, like today we have a dunk backdoor, pretty cool play right there. So again, just letting y'all know how it is right now, what's going on, and you know, that's really how you can source more pairs as a beginner. People think it's really hard, but you just have to know the right people, get in the right places, and that's really one of the main key things when it comes to sourcing pairs in the sneaker game. You all can see I got this nice one right here. I paid $315 for this, so way under market, but I bought it like a month ago, so I bought it when the market, you know, was like at $330, $350, but still great deal. Y'all can go see prices now. So aside from being generally active, that's one important thing. Again, that's what a Discord can help you with, is just pinging you about drops, giving you raffle opportunities, things like that. All the different things we provide, along with, you know, again, the free ACOs, so we have botters again copping you those items for free and different things like that. I've been really trying to help the team out recently. We just got them some really good proxies yesterday, so I'm pretty happy about that. But we've been working on a lot of things, and this Hibbett monitor is going to be really good. I'm actually probably after this video going to make sure it gets added in today. And yeah, we've just again been trying to really add a lot of beneficial things for, you know, our beginner resellers, having people they can sell to. You know, I also buy a lot of people's stuff in the Discord, so that's another benefit. You know, maybe I'll buy your stuff and, you know, get you some profit. So that's how it is really. And one of the basics, again, to, you know, sourcing sneakers as a beginner is just being in a group and kind of having that key connection to a lot of knowing when these drops happen, not forgetting about these drops, so having someone that pings you for them, having, you know, that backdoor botters run items for you, sneakers ACO, we also have that. We have botters run accounts for people in sneakers. So a lot of different features, again, that you can learn about if you're newer to it. And you probably saw the thumbnail. Those are all pairs I've sourced within probably 4 or 5 days, you know, for daily deals, you know, again, because we have that section also daily. I give under market pairs or like 4 or 5 times a week. So if that's something you're interested in, again, and it doesn't cost you anything else to really enter in the daily deals. Again, it's just the monthly fee, which again, you can go enter in the waitlist down below. We won't charge you unless we let you in, but just keep in mind that the daily deals are just, you know, under market pairs, but you don't have to pay like a fee to enter any of those deals. And of course, to some of our more beginner resellers in the Discord, I've passed on some methods. Of course, like one of the OG ones, going to Facebook Marketplace, cleaning up used pairs. That's a great way to, you know, source used stock, is just going to Facebook Marketplace, cleaning up used pairs you buy and then selling them. You can make a lot of money doing that. So just something I thought I'd mention right there, and kind of the basics, you know, to resell and things like that, how to source more pairs as a beginner, you know, like where to find high-end ones, kind of rarer ones like this. Again, not many 7.5 lot 9s, literally 1 left on StockX right now. So very rare pair right here. And then, you know, we got a bunch of other basic ones. Got some Yeezy slides, turtle doves, things like that. My hair is all types of messed up. It was literally looking like a mop or like a broom a second ago, but yeah, that's everything I really need to say right there. And that's the basics to copping more sneaker releases as a beginner, how you can do it. And again, that it was really just me kind of explaining out, you know, the group features, things like that. But I gave you a couple locations, again, using different sneaker apps, Facebook Marketplace, used pairs. You can just, you know, again, go there, clean up those pairs, sell them for more. You can also use other apps like OfferUp, Mercari, but you gotta legit check at those different places. You know, you gotta make sure they're real. And that's everything that needs to be mentioned right there. So subscribe, like for more, check the group down below, go get in the wait list, let us know why you're interested, and we'd love to see you guys in there again, because I'm always trying to help people daily and you know, let them know how they can cook more and, you know, learn the general basics. So that's it. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. I think I said like goal is 300, but hopefully you've already subscribed, and that's it. So join Hype Labs. If you have any questions about sourcing pairs down below, let me know, and I'll be there to help. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all on the next one. Peace, and stay safe when meeting up locally.